Guilty but mentally ill verdict, legal impact and mental health controversy. The guilty but mentally ill, GBMI, verdict is controversial for several reasons, which stem from the complex interplay between the legal system and mental health considerations. This verdict allows a jury to acknowledge a defendant's mental illness while still holding them criminally responsible for their actions. Proponents argue that it strikes a balance between the need for justice and the recognition of mental health issues. However, critics raise concerns about its implications and effectiveness. One of the central points of controversy is the misunderstanding that the GBMI verdict may lead to more appropriate or tailored mental health treatment for the defendant as part of their sentence. In reality, the treatment provided to individuals convicted of GBMI can be inadequate or similar to that found in the regular prison population, with mental health services that are often under-resourced or insufficient to meet their needs. Thus, the expectation that the GBMI verdict will ensure better mental health care for the convicted individual is frequently not met. Additionally, there is a debate over whether the GBMI verdict stigmatizes mental illness by associating it with criminal behavior. This can perpetuate stereotypes and potentially discourage individuals from seeking mental health treatment out of fear of being associated with criminality. Furthermore, the existence of the GBMI verdict can complicate the legal process. It can be seen as a compromise for juries who are hesitant to find defendants not guilty by reason of insanity, NGRI, but uncomfortable with a straightforward guilty verdict. The decision-making process for juries may be influenced by the potential consequences of an NGRI verdict, including the possibility of the defendant being released if they are found to no longer be a danger to themselves or others. The GBMI verdict may thus seem like a safer option that ensures ongoing confinement, although it may not always reflect the nuanced reality of the defendant's mental state at the time of the crime. For defendants, being found GBMI often means they will serve a sentence in a correctional facility, with the prospect of receiving mental health treatment during their incarceration. However, as previously mentioned, the quality and extent of such treatment may be inadequate. Moreover, they are typically required to serve the entire term of their sentence, unlike those found NGRI, who may be released from a psychiatric facility if they're deemed to no longer be a threat.